Welcome to Pick of the Week from Power Semiconductors Weekly. Top industry stories this week. Wolfspeed announced commercial availability of the industry's first 10 kV silicon carbide MOSFET, targeting grid infrastructure, industrial electrification, and AI data center power. It enables simpler medium voltage architectures with fewer stages, supporting claimed around 30% cost reduction, over 300% power density gains via higher switching frequency, and efficiencies near 99%. Wolfspeed also highlights strong reliability, improved body diode robustness, and availability today as bare die for sampling and qualification. ROHM and Shuchi Semicon announced a strategic partnership to expand power semiconductor manufacturing capability in India, aligning with the country's Make in India push and improving supply chain resilience. ROHM is evaluating outsourcing select back-end processes for power devices and ICs to Shuchi, with technical readiness work underway and potential mass production shipments starting in 2026. Chicony Power selected Infineon's cool-GaN transistors for multiple laptop adapters for a leading laptop OEM, enabling smaller, more efficient designs. Generation 5 devices are optimized for fast switching and low conduction losses, delivering up to 30% improvement in key figures of merit versus the prior generation. Chicony's platform supports from 100 to 300 watt adapters with EMI and thermally optimized high-frequency PFC and DC-DC stages. Microcommercial Components expanded its silicon carbide Schottky lineup with two MPS-based releases for high-efficiency rectification. The 1200-volt silicon carbide diode in D247AD package, delivering zero reverse recovery, low VF, low leakage, and from -55 up to 175 degrees operation for EV charging, transportation, and industrial converters. In parallel, the Gen 5 650-volt series in D2PAC package offers around 1.3-volt VF, near-zero recovery, and up to 86 amps, and an AEC-Q 101 option, cutting losses, easing thermals, and improving power density. We'll be back next week. Meanwhile, get your daily updates at powersemiconductorsweekly.com.